COVID-19 is a disease that doesn't have any specific treatment or prevention at this stage. We need to know what can be used to prevent this devastating illness on a wide scale, as this is a global pandemic.
I think it would be foolish to say that none of us are scared. This is a very scary moment for all of us in the world. So it gives me a sense of empowerment to actually fight back to a situation that I otherwise have no control over, like everybody else.
The BRACE study is a randomised controlled trial to see whether giving BCG vaccine to healthcare workers at the same time as their seasonal influenza vaccine will protect against COVID-19 illness. BCG is a licensed vaccine for the prevention of tuberculosis and is given to millions of people around the world every year.
This is one of the only sites other than Melbourne in the world right now that actually focuses on using an intervention that has a reasonable chance of making a difference in this pandemic right now to protect our healthcare workers, which is the most essential part of the entire system right now in dealing with this pandemic. BRACE involves enrolling 4,000 healthcare workers between Melbourne and Perth, where the healthcare workers are asked to come to the vaccine clinic, receiving their regular flu shot, along with half of them receiving BCG, the other half not receiving BCG, so we can compare if BCG in this current pandemic provides the protection that we hope, desperately hope, it has.
Generally, a randomised controlled trial of this size will take months or even a year to get started. In this case, with a lot of hard work from everyone involved, we were able to start the study up in 2.5 weeks.
This is unprecedented speed, but it's commensurate with the task at hand to make a difference for this pandemic.
Hi, I'm Rose and I'm a doctor working on the front line. Any part that could help reduce the effect on myself and our peers and our patients would be fantastic, so I'll do anything I can to help.
I'm excited to take part in this trial because if we can minimise the impact of COVID-19 on healthcare workers, it'll be positive for the whole community.
This study is a collaborative research project between Telethon Kids Institute, Murdoch Children's Research Institute, Perth Children's Hospital, Fiona Stanley Hospital and Sir Charles Gardner Hospital. We hope that the outcome will show that BCG provides protection against COVID-19 disease and coronavirus infection. If this is the case, this would be a very easy to rapidly implement in countries around the world to protect frontline healthcare workers from this terrible disease.
I really feel very much privileged to be a part of this. Kudos to the community, kudos to Telethon Kids and all the other hospitals involved in this to pump this through at such short time to really help the world figure out what's the best step.